Okay, so I'm mixing the bleach for the wig. This is what I got so far. The wig isn't what I expected, so I'm gonna have to finesse. Hand on neck, one arm on frontal. This is the T-shape. I've never used this type of wig before, but this is the T-shape one. I accidentally ordered this, but we can work with it, baby, because ain't no sending back. So I mixed the bleach kind of thick, like a putty, because I don't want it to seep through on the hair. This is why you need a mannequin head. So disorganized. I need a mannequin head if I'm gonna be wearing lace wigs. I stopped for a bit. I used to be like a real lace wig connoisseur. And I say lace wig connoisseur, but I needed to learn to love my natural self. So I realized that I was having an issue with just not loving my own hair. So I needed to like give the wigs a break, learn how to do my own hair, you know? Learn to love myself. Learn to love myself in my afro. So yeah, I stopped wearing the wigs for a bit. But I'm back. I'm back and I'm better. I'm trying to clean off the bits that I see, the hair that has bleach on it, with water so it doesn't bleach the hair. Do you know in that small space of time it already bleached in the knots? What time is it? It's been 6 minutes. Okay. Yeah, it's time. I feel so frumpy. Like, I feel very frumpy. I need to do my hair. This is looking crazy. Okay, from. Okay, from.
Where do you think you're going?
Quit! I don't want to play anymore.
Since when?
Since right.
All right, what is going on?
I'm gonna use the, what do you call this? Olive oil Fits It Super Holding Spray for lace front wig weave application. Lord, let it work. Spray short bursts along the hairline. When tacky, place wig over and press down. For extreme hold, use 2 layers. We're gonna see what this do because I'm tired. Here goes nothing. Oh my God, help me God. Let it be good, please, Lord. Please, Lord. I can't manage. So I just cut down the middle. That whole time I thought I was recording. But anyways, so I need to try and cut this as jagged as possible. One thing I don't like about using these sprays, they make the hair kind of crispy. It's like you have to melt the front. What I might do is use the other glue, the Ghost Bond, to try and melt the front in. But this is a very cheap lace. Like you can see that the lace is cheap. The hair is nice, but the lace is cheap. But we gonna finesse. By the way, I had to bleach these knots twice. You hear what I just said? I had to bleach it twice. Yeah, because I don't want nothing troubling my ears. Yes, there we go. Okay. Wow, that side took forever. Alright, so I'm gonna have to go over and fix this. I'm gonna use the bowl hold on the edges so that it holds. Alright, not doing too bad. Put a little, okay, I can see where it coming. I'm gonna get it. Alright, I'm gonna come back to this. Okay, I'm trying not to lose hope. I'm trying. Nevertheless, we gonna finesse. Nevertheless, we going finesse. See if I can get this.
Oh, well, murder, she wrote. I don't know what I know.
Shaman, good morning. It's a joy to have you home. Good morning, I love you.
We get you one new subscriber too.
Is that the person that subscribed named
Tiana.
Oh,
yeah, Tiana.
From work or?
Yeah, Tiana.
She just subscribed and I shouted her out in the video and I said, hi, T.
Yeah, true that.
Alright, I can tie this down now, make this go on dry. Melt. Okay, so this is what I have going on in the front of my head. I do not like this lace at all, but I can make it work. I'm gonna have to figure it out because I already spent my money. Okay, so the good thing is I can see where hasn't melted. So the top hair has melted as much as I think it really can. These areas need to melt. Yeah, I can see where I need to put more glue. You want to know the worst part? I have good vendors, you know, like I've used... Do I want to name them? Do I want to give them free promo? No, I don't. I have good vendors. I just saw a colleague at work and her wig looked bomb. And I was like, where'd you get the wig? Where'd you get the wig? And she gave me the link and this was the link. And I just... Sometimes you must see people with things and just keep it pushing. I think it might just be the T-part wigs that have this like cheap quality to them. But my coworker's wig, her wig is bomb.
Greetings from stall number 1. As much as I detest that odd-smelling cigarette, I do applaud your rule-breaking bravado. My name is Sheldon. What's yours? Hello, gentlemen. Did you watch any sports programs over the weekend? Or perhaps did some kissing with...
Okay, so this is what's going on after I've touched it up. I mean... I don't like it. But I'm gonna have to wear it and fix it. I am. Okay, so I can pluck it a little bit. Give it some baby hairs and see if that changed the whole vibe of it. Oh, also I'm gonna
Junior, wait your turn. I wouldn't touch my brother's hand until 17 years later, thanks to the invention of Purell. I figured you were probably tired of stuff wiggling around on your plate.
See, kids, when the going gets tough, America provides.
It did, until the Ku Klux Klan burned our boat and chased us away.
You gonna put a good spin on that one?
So we came to...
That's too bad. After my moon pie.
Meemaw liked to teach me things that kept me awake at night.
This must be Sheldon.
Did I not finesse? Yeah, so I don't really like the baby hair thing too tough. Okay, that's a lie. I like the baby hair. But I wanted to like have more of a scalp look, but you can't do no scalp look with that quality of lace. So yeah, I'm just gonna hot comb the front. Okay, so I spent the whole day cleaning and just like doing laundry because like when I'm out, I want to feel like I don't have anything on my brain. I don't want to be worrying about laundry or just anything that I've left at home undone. So I just did a nice clean, lit a candle, chilled out. I need to go to Primark because I need gloves. It's really cold. My hands are gonna be cold tonight. I have like real issues with circulation in my fingers during the winter, and we're not about to be in pain out there. So yeah, I need to get some gloves, and I need to see if I can find some wellies for Jacob. If I see any cute jackets or whatever, I pick him one up, because every winter I just get basic outerwear. Like, I need to just up my style a little bit more. Like, style needs to be upped. I'm tired of dressing basic. Jose said he want to hear Fetty Wap.
Betty to the wap.
Fetty Wap. Okay guys, so I came to my back is hurting. I slept so badly last night. My lower back is okay, so I'm going into Primark. I need to get some gloves. Jacob needs to get something to wear as well. I don't like the options that I'm seeing. Oh, this is cute, but it's really, really thin. Like, super thin. I don't know why you're gone. Turn me on. Oh, I like this one. You know what? I wonder if because I'm wearing white, this would actually look really nice. What size is this? 10 to 12. Are you too small for me, or can you fit me? I actually like the, oh, this is nice. This is extra small though. Guys, I am so excited. So I got myself a little fur. I'm gonna show you when I get home. And this is Jose's and Jacob's stuff. But I got a little, you know, a little fur, a little something. I really need to get my back sorted out. My back is just, it's not happy. It's not happy at all. I don't even think I can mess with this hair right now, because I can't be asked to like uproot the front. Look, I turned my anklet into a bracelet. So cute. Me and Jose were in the same color scheme. It wasn't planned, I assure you. He wanted what he wanted and I wanted what I wanted. And it ended up to be the same thing. So yeah, I can put on my makeup. Okay, so this is how my makeup is looking. I just wanted to do something natural, something cute. This is what I got. This the fit. Yes, baby. Oh, hold on. How you gonna forget the hoops, honey? How you gonna forget the hoops, baby? Oh. Baby, yeah, ooh, so baby, I try to buzz up, oh yeah, so baby, sizzle, yeah. So we got the mom jeans, we got this, a little puffer jacket. Okay, I like the fit. It's looking wintry. All right. Anyways, gonna head out now. Nola is here. Hey guys. Say hi. Hold on. They need to see you. Turn that one on. You're right. Nola's here. And V's long on. Jakey. Oh, I forget I can't turn this down. We going to Bourneville. That's the location. We're headed to Bourneville. Firework display.
Wanna bring in the fireworks.
Sick, dude. So where's the actual entrance though?
There.
We don't know where the firework is coming from, guys. We don't know where the entrance there. Is there an this feel kinda ghetto. This feel like it not have no vehicle. It's nice, yeah.
You can't feel no cold
Jiggy.
in that. It's a real snow boot. Literally. And I got a short sleeve t-shirt on. Can't feel nothing.
You warm. No, for real, we need to find somewhere to go. No. Which way is it?
My shirt is saying it's come from that way. My ears are saying it's
Is it that no one knows where to go?
Yeah.
No, I don't like this.
Just talking about it on the on the phone.
What you were saying?
Come here saying, oh, the post.
No way.
Okay, so this is going real far.
So
There's basically no problem. That's what everyone's basically saying.
nobody
That
don't
there's
know
no
where
structure.
to go. No, it better we go. No man, it better we run go Solid Hall real quick. Cause we're going on here. So no, for real. Better you call her, tell her say don't bother. I'm telling you. Ain't no fireworks up here, not true. Jose, no man, it look like we gonna have rush Solid Hall real quick. This not make it. Nobody don't know where it coming from. Nobody don't know. Guys, let me just tell you what's going on. Let me just tell you what the hell is going on. So basically, barely.
Alright, so this is just nothing because nobody knows where the fireworks are. All the people are just in the road.
So basically, right, we come out to we came to this place called Bourneville because it's on Google that it's on Google that one of the bonfires, you can't see me, but anyways, it's on Google that one of the bonfires is being kept here. Let me just tell you, everyone is walking around trying to find the actual location. None of us can find the actual location because normally there's like an entrance and the fire pit. There's none. Absolutely none. Cute. Oh, hi. Oh. Yeah, so basically no one can find the actual entrance, if there is one. I don't know. It's looking away.
Okay.
Jose enjoying himself same way. What you say, Jose? You enjoying yourself said way?
St. Peter's Day. What's the postcode?
Let me just update y'all because frustration attack. We can't find no location. All of the Google locations are wrong. So here's what happened. Story time. So we went on Google, looked on Google, saw all of these bonfire nights being held, right? Boom. None of the bonfire nights them not being held. No matter where we drove to, nothing was there. The postcodes were like blank. Like it shows you the area to go to, but no exact postcode. So in order for this night to not be a complete waste, we go into Mochibees or Mobies as they call it now, which is like a really popular who's watching football? Which is like a really popular dessert shop in the hood in Birmingham. Yeah, but this stuff nice. It got like a Caribbean vibe. Like you can get grape nut ice cream and all them something there. So yeah.
I literally went to a restaurant the other day and I tried to make them try grape nut ice cream. They didn't like it, but I was like, yeah, I remember.
They didn't like grape nut ice cream?
It was like, tastes like Weetabix, cold Weetabix.
They're gonna mad us.
I feel like they probably scammed, you know?
Yeah.
They really could have.
What?
It really did taste like Weetabix, but I don't remember it tasting like Weetabix. I don't remember it tasting.
That was a no grape nut.
That was a trick, that was a scam.
That was a lie.
Scam.
It was a lie. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to a dessert shop, chill out, I'm sorry, I wanted to give you Bonfire, but Bonfire wasn't giving. It didn't give Bonfire. It's giving. It gave no fire. It gave no location. So yeah, we just chilling. Try and make the best of the situation. Let me show you where we are. That's true, because I need enough time. Yeah, it up there.
Left or right?
Straight. It right, but you might as well park in the small parking lot across from the church. Mochibes. When in doubt, eat food.
When in doubt, go another route.
When in doubt, put it in your mouth.
So these this car and this bus driver just get in an accident. Do you know what you're doing? We being fast. Extra fast. What you say? No, we being fast. Them getting an accident. Being fast.
Tell you to spin out, you know.
Impatient. He's impatient. He impatient. Oh, chippies. What we getting? Oh, they got wings here too, no? They got wings here too. Was it? You getting wings?
I need the toilet.
You want a food?
Huh?
No, no food.
I'm gonna go use the toilet.
Alright.
Go ahead down there with Gino. Chalan.
You don't see Jala out of okay?
So you know, so the people them in the car can file for
Accident. Sit in that curtain.
money and night. Yeah.
We try and make the best of the night.
Everybody night.
In here kind of lit still. Hold on, I can show you. Muchibis always have a vibe. Hold on. They call me on back. Yeah, they could have give us a little vibe in here still. Yeah, this is just one of those places, like one of those dessert parlors. That like people be coming in here at 1, 2 a.m. with their kids. Ain't nobody judging. What's that about? Ain't nobody judging you. It's Smoochie Bees, honey. That's the vibe in here. It's like family friendly, but still kind of teeny bopper. Yeah. I am so disappointed that that we didn't get to like go to the bonfire. I don't know, I just wanted to sit around and pet. Right, Nola? I wanted to sit around the fire and chill out. Not even sit. Right.
You're sounding like.
Right.
I wanted to sit around the fire.
Right. Hug a couple trees. Right, that's what I wanted. Never got that. Instead we got lost GPS.
We got 0 postcodes.
Heartache. I actually want to cry. You know when you are naughty.
Cry.
Let me tell you guys what happened. I won't cry.
What happened was.
So, Jose is. Let me just explain. I gotta let them know.
It's one of those if you don't laugh.
Yo, I gotta let them know. So let me tell other how Jose is, yeah? Look how my eyes red. I'm frustrated. Jose is the type of person. You will say, Jose, you want something to eat? No, he don't want nothing, right? Then when you bring the food, he yum off the whole of your food. And you ask him multiple times, Jose, you want something? Adamant, no, I'll have an attitude with you and things.
Watch it like it's TV.
Yeah. He don't want nothing. You know, say I bring the food, come put them on the table, right? Yeah, so look there, empty on the table. Okay. Jose eat off the whole of the food. That's my man and my child. I'm a stick beside him. I'm a stick beside him. I'm a stick beside him.
Yeah, that's them.
Sure. Alright, so basically I had to go back and order wings, so I waiting on wings again. I argued over my food just now. I was so upset.
Like, oh, the ice cream so big. Boom, ice cream gone.
Gone. Jose just started eating. Jacob just started eating. I did demolish it. Mind you, I bought Jacob a nice burger and a drink. No. That wasn't enough. I just here waiting on the wings. I try not to be upset. Like, it's food, you know, but it's the principle. It's the principle. Have a stick beside him. Have a stick beside him.
Mom, let me say something. I might say that we're gonna have
But that's not the case.
I'm trying to get
what would
smart.
you do?
Imagine if he didn't have food. That's not the case.
What would you do? That's the question. What would you do? What would you do? The point is.
Well, I managed to get a few wings. Jacob's eating my ice cream. I gave it to